I am making farm dust. Hi, my name is Morgan and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some Christmas presents for our family. I am going to be making one of my favorite seasoning mixes that I sort of got from a spice mix called Farm Dust a long time ago. After I think I got it for a gift one year. And anyway, me and my husband sat down and tried to recreate it. We really liked what we came up with and we made our own recipe for it and it's amazing. And this year I'm giving it as Christmas gifts to our family. So come along with me and I will show you how I make it. I'll put the recipe down below. I'm like doubling and quadrupling and sextupling, however you want to call it. The first thing I'm doing is making farm dust with the white pepper. Some of our family can't have black pepper, so I'm making this one separate before I make like a huge batch. Anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. So this is a spice mix that's amazing on literally everything. Chicken, eggs, steak, vegetables, you name it, it's amazing. If you want to buy the real farm dust that is from a store in like Pennsylvania, you can just Google it and it'll come right up. It's called Farm Dust Seasoning. It's amazing. You'll love it because it's amazing. But yeah, like I think we got that as a gift the first time we ever got it from a lady at church. And oh my goodness, I didn't even know there were spice mixes like that. You didn't even need any other spices, ooh, pepper, in your cabinet. Woo, that pepper's strong. Now we need, I know, it's sneaky, huh? That might be too much. 4. What do you think, Julie? These gifts like this that are homemade are so amazing. They're just, if you have someone in your family that just has everything they need and you can't think of a really good gift for them, we have several people in our family like that, and I wanted to give them something practical this year. I wanted to give them something they would love, something they would use, and so I couldn't think of anything, and then I ran out of my homemade seasoned salt, and I thought, oh, that would be a really good gift to make up a bunch of my homemade spice mixes, and then I could give it to our family. The cool thing about this is like you can use these bigger, thank you, you can use these bigger spices and then you can just throw them in the blender or the coffee grinder or anything like that and blend them up, and that way this is more of like a ready spice mix that can go on anything. You don't have to worry about blending it to go. You just kind of pulse it a few times. I'll show you what that looks like. Yeah, you're good. Normally I would use some pink Himalayan salt and I went to order it, but everything is like back shipped right now and I couldn't get any. So I didn't want to pay like $8 for the salt at Walmart when I can get it so much cheaper. I mean, I can get like 5 pounds of it for like $10 on Amazon. So we're going to use the regular salt for this shirt. Go ahead and give it a mix. Stop, don't do it at me. Okay, so this one is the one with the white pepper. And I had to do that one separate. So I'm just putting it in the jar now. And then I'm going to label the jar and make it really cute with some twine on it. This stuff is so good. Super cute. You can see how all the big pieces of like rosemary and thyme and basil and oregano, they all got mixed up. I'm gonna keep this one. I wish that I had some little stickers that I could stick on there, but I don't, and it's okay. But that's it. That's the first one, and now I can make a huge batch of this exact same thing, okay?
Don't, Juliet.
Whoa. Oh, I think we forgot rosemary. We totally did. Here, let me blend it up.
Stop doing that.
You didn't know you didn't want to breathe in rosemary? Our house is going to smell like an outback or something when I'm done here.
Dump all the oregano into there.
All the time. Dumped out the time.
Juliet, why did you do that?
Because is your nose hurting? My nose hurts too. We don't even have a clean bathroom.
What's with the face?
Baby. That's on your nose? I'm so sorry, Julie.
How could you do that to those little pigtails?
Hang on, let me get you a clean one. Oh no! Don't breathe it. It'll burn your nose.
That was unsuspected.
I know. Okay, stop stirring it. That's good enough. Together. These are going to be traveling across the country. When you go to give this to your family, you just make it really cute with all your cute paper. Right, Julia? The gift. Super simple, super delicious, super usable gift for someone who has everything. And shout out to Brindley, our sweet little neighbor who watches all our videos, and we miss you and we think you're awesome. Mwah! What? There's no more cookies. Buddy, it's okay. There's just not anymore. What? Hold on one second, buddy. Who ate them all? You did.
No, I didn't.
You didn't eat the last one. Daddy did.
You don't have any more chocolate chips, buddy.
Oh no.
Anyways, Mom, as you were.
You're just the cutest little girl I ever saw. How is it? They're good, huh? Juliet! Is that salty? Because that seasoned salt all over you. So yeah, you don't glue these shut or anything. Just tighten them. Okay. So anyway.